A military court in Moscow has convened to hear the case of 5 men accused of murdering Russian opposition figure Boris Nemtsov in February 2014. 5 suspects, all of whom are Chechen, have been charged with the murder of Nemtsov near the Kremlin. The men worked on the security detail of the Russian-backed Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov. Nemtsov was one of Vladimir Putin's most vocal critics. He was shot dead within sight of the Kremlin. Well, Elena Casas is in Moscow, where she's following the trial for us. Thanks for joining us, Elena. What are we expecting from today's hearing?
Well, really, this hearing gives more questions than answers. There are 5 men on trial here accused of having taken cash payments to kill Nemtsov, but nobody has been charged with ordering the killing, and his relatives say they're not confident that justice will ever be done. As you said, all these 5 men are Chechens who were previously on the security detail of Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov, who is very closely supported by Vladimir Putin. The investigators trying to work out who ordered them have got as far as a man who was once the driver of a key commander in Kadyrov's army. But that man has disappeared, and his former boss, the commander, couldn't be arrested because when prosecutors tried to do so, armed bodyguards to chase them away. So we've not really got any further to who actually ordered this killing. It's a very closed and very tightly secured court today. Few journalists have been allowed to attend the hearing. Some family are there, but as I say, they say they're not confident that they'll get any closer to getting justice and finding out who ordered the killing of Nemtsov. They say the 5 men on trial are just scapegoats.
And this trial has already been beset by legal problems, including difficulties finding a jury.
Yes, 49 out of the 56 people who were originally called for jury service on this case refused to serve for what they called personal reasons. That's what Nemtsov's family's lawyers essentially say was fear, being too worried about being on a trial that could convict people who are employees of the Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov, who is known for his retaliation and his threats against those who oppose him. He's known for things like tweeting photos of opponents in the crosshairs of a rifle. So he's certainly a man known for cracking down on his opponents, and a man widely feared enough in Russia that 49 out of 56 jurors refused to serve on a jury that might convict people close to him.
Sounds like quite a trial. Elena Casas in Moscow, thank you very much indeed.